how to run your own VPN server with Outline and DigitalOcean. The first thing we need to do is open up our browser and navigate to the following URL address. This URL address is my referral link for DigitalOcean. As a brand new user, it will give you $100 free promotional credit to try out DigitalOcean servers free for 60 days. I'll put my referral link in the video description below. Once you've clicked on my referral link, you'll be taken to the homepage of DigitalOcean. At the very top of the page, you can see a message which says free credit active. Get started on DigitalOcean with a $100 60-day credit for new users. To activate this credit, we'll need to create a DigitalOcean account. To do this, you can simply navigate to the top right-hand corner here and left-click on Sign Up, or you can simply sign up on this page by filling in your name, your email address, and picking a password for your DigitalOcean account. Once you've done that, you can simply left-click on Deploy in seconds. Once you've created your DigitalOcean account, you'll need to add your billing details and confirm the creation of your account by clicking on the link in your emails inbox sent to you by DigitalOcean. Once you've confirmed the creation of your account, guys, you'll be signed into your DigitalOcean account and you'll be on your DigitalOcean dashboard. I'm just going to sign in now, guys, as I already have a DigitalOcean account. Alright guys, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard here and I'm signed into my DigitalOcean account. In the video description below, I'll also put a link to a video of mine which will take you through the process of signing up to DigitalOcean. At the top right hand corner here, you'll be able to see your DigitalOcean $100 trial credits. I've already used up all my DigitalOcean promotional credit, guys, hence why it says usage here instead of my remaining $100 free trial credits. Great, so once you've created your DigitalOcean account, the next thing you need to do is go to Outline VPN's website. I'm just going to click on my other tab that I have open here. Navigate to the following URL address, https://getoutline.org. Once you're here, guys, you'll be on the Outline homepage. As you can see at the very top here, it says access to the free and open internet. Outline makes it easy to create a VPN server, giving anyone access to the free and open internet. Simply left click on Get Outline at the center of the homepage here. Once you've done that, guys, you'll be taken to the Get Started section here, which says two products that work together. Outline consists of two interrelated products that work together to provide you and your community with uninterrupted access to the internet. On the left hand side here, you can see it says Get Outline Manager, and on the right hand side here, it says Get Outline Client. The first Outline product that we're going to be getting is the Outline Manager. We'll get the Outline Client later through the Outline Manager. So simply left click on Get Outline Manager. Once you have done that, guys, look for the download button. Just scroll down a bit and you should see download the Outline Manager. Pick your operating system. So as you can see, you have three options here: Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I'm on Windows, and as you can see, Windows is already pre-selected. Once you've selected your operating system to download the Outline Manager for, simply left click on Download the Outline Manager. Once you've done that, guys, Windows will prompt you to pick a destination to save the Outline Manager to. As you can see, I'm already in my Downloads folder here, and that's where I'm going to be saving it to. File name, I'm going to leave it as it is, and save as type, again, I'm going to leave it as it is. Left click on Save to download the Outline Manager. As you can see, guys, it's a relatively small file, and once it has been downloaded, navigate to the bottom left hand corner of your browser, left click on the arrow here, and then left click on Open. Once you've done that, guys, the Outline Manager setup will begin running and installing the Outline Manager. Once your Outline Manager has been installed, you can minimize your browser for the time being. And as you can see, guys, the Outline Manager is already open for us. So at the top here, it says choose a cloud service to set up Outline. Don't have a server? Create an account with DigitalOcean. Now, of course, guys, at the very start of the video, we created our DigitalOcean account and bagged ourselves $100 free trial credit to use on DigitalOcean to set up our VPN server. So as you can see, guys, from the Outline Manager, it gives us four choices to pick a cloud service from. The first one is DigitalOcean, and that is the recommended cloud service by the Outline Manager. According to the Outline Manager, DigitalOcean is the easiest setup process. It's only $5 a month. You get 1 terabyte data transfer allowance, and you can cancel at any time. Your other three cloud service choices are Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Lightsail, and Setup Anywhere, such as Vultr, Linode, and Liquid Web. Of course, guys, for today's video, we're going to be going with the DigitalOcean cloud service. And to set up Outline on the DigitalOcean server, all you need to do is left-click on Setup. Once you've done that, guys, a new tab will open on DigitalOcean asking you to authorize Outline Manager. Read and write access. Outline Manager would like permission to access your account. Below, you'll be able to see your email address that you use to sign up to DigitalOcean with. Simply tick the box here to select that DigitalOcean account and then left click on the blue button here which says Authorize Application. Once you've done that, guys, at the top left hand corner of your browser, it will say authentication successful. You can close this window. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to left click on the X to close the tab. Once done, open up the Outline Manager once again, and as you can see in the Outline Manager, we are now required to select the location of our server. This is where your internet experience will come from. You have various server locations that you can pick from. Keep in mind, whatever server location you pick, that's where also your VPN server IP address will be from. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be picking Bangalore, India. So I'm just going to left click on Bangalore here, as that's where I'd like my internet experience to come from. Once you've picked your server location, simply left click on Setup Outline at the top right hand corner here. The Outline Manager will then begin setting up Outline on your DigitalOcean server location that you have selected. As you can see at the top here, it says this could take up to 2 minutes. You can destroy the server at any time. I'll be back with you guys once our Outline server has been successfully set up. Alright guys, as you can see, our Outline server in the Bangalore location has been successfully set up. As you can see, we're currently in the Connections tab here, where we'll be able to see our data transferred in the last 30 days, our allowance used in the last 30 days for DigitalOcean, and the number of access keys that we have created for our Outline VPN. If we look underneath, we can see one access key here which says My Access Key, and underneath it says Connect Your Device, and another column which says Last 30 days of usage, and of course we've just set up our Outline server, so therefore it says none. To see our access key for our Outline VPN, simply navigate to the icon to the right of our access key, which has a small laptop and smartphone icon, and left click on it. Once you've done that, guys, you'll be greeted with a smaller window which says Get Connected. To access the open internet through this Outline server, follow these instructions. Connect this device or connect a different device. I'm going to be connecting my Windows computer, guys, which I'm currently setting up our Outline VPN on. So I'm going to be left clicking on connect this device. However, if you wanted to connect your smartphone, tablet, or another computer, you'll need to left click on connect a different device. I'm going to be left clicking on connect this device. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted with your access key, which is here. Copy your access code. You're about to download the Outline app. But first, copy this code. This allows the app to help you get connected right away. So all we need to do, guys, is left click on copy to copy our access key. Once done, we'll be taken to this page which says get the Outline app from this installer. The first option is to install Outline, and underneath it says already installed, add server. So of course, guys, to connect to our Outline VPN, we're going to need to download the Outline client. If you already have installed the Outline client when you were downloading the Outline Manager, then all you need to do is left click on add server. However, if you haven't already downloaded the Outline client, simply left click on install Outline. Once you've done that, guys, Windows again will prompt you to pick a save location to save the Outline client. As you can see, guys, I'm already in the Downloads tab here. File name, I'm going to leave it as it is. Save as type, I'm going to leave it as it is, and then I'm going to left click on save. Once done, the Outline client will then be downloaded to the save location that you have chosen. I'm just going to minimize the Outline Manager for the time being and my browser as well. Next, I'm going to open up my downloads folder here by double clicking on the shortcut on my desktop here. And as you can see, guys, the Outline client is right here. I'm just going to double click on it to start the installation process. If you're on Windows, you'll be greeted with the user account control, which asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? You have two options, yes or no. Of course, guys, if you want to install the Outline client, you're going to have to left click on yes. Once done, the Outline client will then begin installing on your computer. Once installed, the Outline client will immediately open, and your access key that you copied from the Outline Manager will automatically be detected and filled into this box here. So as you can see, the Outline client says, access key detected, please confirm that you want to add this server. So all we're going to do now is left click on add server. Once done, the Outline server will be added to your Outline client. Before connecting to your Outline VPN, what I recommend doing is navigate into the three vertical dots at the top right hand corner of your Outline client, left clicking on it, and then left click on rename. Delete the default name which says Outline server and type the name of your DigitalOcean server location. So of course, guys, I picked Bangalore, India, so I'm going to type Bangalore in here. Once you have renamed your added server, simply left click on Save. And as you can see guys, our Outline server has been renamed to Bangalore, and underneath you can see our VPN's IP address. All that's left to do now to connect to your VPN is simply navigate to the bottom right hand corner here and left click on Connect. Once done, you'll be connected to your Outline VPN. Your personal IP address will now be masked by the following IP address of your DigitalOcean Outline server. To check if we are connected to our VPN, open up your browser and navigate to any search engine. As you can see guys, I'm on duckduckgo.com here, and I'm going to type the following: what is my IP address? And then I'm going to hit enter to search. And as you can see guys, at the very top of the search engine, you'll be able to see your IP address, which in my case is 139.59.56.104 in Bangalore, India. And I'm going to double check that IP address by opening up my Outline client here. And as you can see guys, 139.59.56.104 matches the exact IP address that's shown in our search engine. In the client, you might be wondering what is after the colon here. That is simply your port. Alright guys, fantastic. We've successfully set up our own private VPN. To disconnect from your VPN, simply navigate to the bottom right hand corner here of your Outline client and left click on disconnect. And as you can see guys, we are now disconnected from our VPN. And before I end the video guys, I'm going to show you how to create additional access keys to share your VPN with your friends and family. To do this, I'm simply going to open up my Outline Manager once again. I'm going to click close on this window here. Great, so to generate additional access keys, navigate to where it says access keys here and left click on add new key. Once you've done that guys, a new key will be generated. As you can see, it has a default name of key 1. You can give it any name you want. So let's say if I had a friend called John, I'd simply type John in here and hit enter to save. Once done, navigate to the right hand side here of the new access key that you've created to the 3 vertical dots and left click on it. As you can see, you have the option to rename, remove, or data limit. Left click on data limit. Here you can set a data limit for the access key named John. If you want to set a custom limit, simply check the box which says set a custom limit and enter the data limit for your selected access key. Now remember guys, the cheapest server which we have created is $5 a month, and we get access to 1 terabyte of data transfer on our VPN. So let's give this access key 50 gigabytes. We can always increase it or decrease it whenever we want. Simply left click on save. And as you can see guys, John now has 50 gigabytes of usage that he can use in 30 days. For my access key, as you can see, there is no limit. That's why it says none. If I wanted to share my access key with John so that he can connect, what we need to do is simply navigate to the right hand side here of the John access key and left click on the share button here. At the top here it says share access. Copy this invitation and send it from a communication tool you trust. As you can see guys, this is the invitation message which John will get if you left click on copy invitation. So as you can see at the very top here, it says you are invited to connect to my Outline server. Use it to access the open internet, no matter where you are. Follow the instructions on your invitation link below to download the Outline client and get connected. So all John will need to do is left click on this link here and follow the instructions. If he's having trouble, he can simply scroll down in the invitation link and follow the 2 instructions here. As you can see, his access key is right here and further instructions are here on the Outline client GitHub repository. So again guys, all you need to do to give John access is left click on copy invitation and send it to him using your communication tool of choice. All John will need to do then is download the Outline client, not the Outline Manager, just the Outline client, paste in the Outline access key into the Outline client that you shared with him using the invitation link, and then all he needs to do, once the VPN server has been added, is left click on connect. Alright guys, that covers access keys and adding additional keys for new users. If you want to delete your DigitalOcean Outline VPN server, all you'll need to do is open up the Outline Manager, navigate to the top right hand corner here, left click on the 3 vertical dots and left click on destroy server. Destroy server, existing users will lose access. This action cannot be undone. You have the option to cancel or to destroy. I'm going to left click on destroy. And as you can see guys, you're brought back to the first page on the Outline Manager when we first installed it. If you also want to remove your DigitalOcean account from the Outline Manager, navigate to the top left hand corner here of your Outline Manager to the 3 horizontal lines and left click on it. Once done, a side menu will open, and as you can see guys, you'll be able to see all your servers that you have connected to your Outline Manager. As you can see, the DigitalOcean server is right at the top here. Left click on the three vertical dots, and as you can see at the very top, it says disconnect DigitalOcean account, and then you'll be able to see your DigitalOcean's account email address and simply left click on disconnect. And as you can see, guys, our DigitalOcean server, which was displayed as an icon at the top left hand corner here, has now been removed from the Outline Manager, meaning that we have successfully removed our DigitalOcean account. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes the video on how to run your own VPN server with Outline and DigitalOcean. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you